Lacy, and in my hands I have Innersense Organic Beauty's I Create Curl Memory. This comes full of bamboo extract, sugar complex, and certified organic aloe vera. This is a one-step styling jelly for wash and go styles. This is going to really help encourage moisture, definition, and flexibility within your set. This is actually a product that I'm familiar with because I was part of an extensive testing program. So I've seen many iterations of this product and I'm so happy to finally have it. Let's go ahead and kind of test it out and feel it. If you take a close look at this one, the first comparison that you might make is that it is similar to I Create Hold. But the consistency of it is a little bit more like a jelly. It's a little runnier, but not nearly as runny as something like I Create Volume. Not only does it not have synthetics, but there's no artificial fragrance. So the scent of it is really refreshing. And this is always a good indicator for me to get a sense of how the product first feels on your skin. Before you even think about applying it to hair, what starts to happen on your skin as it starts to dry. As I pull my hands apart, I don't feel a ton of resistance. It's sticking a little bit, but this tells me that it's going to be nice and flexible and functional. With this being a water-based product, now that it's starting to settle and dry on my hands, the moment I splash some water on my hands, it's going to reactivate what's happening because things are starting to clump up a little bit on my hands. But I'm gonna run over to the bowl real quick and add just a little splash of water and see what it does. So I added about a pea-size amount of water to my hands, and my hands are nice and slippery again. A good reminder for those of you at home, always add more water. The level of concentration to Innersense products is so high that you're really getting the maximum benefit of your products when you start incorporating more water with them. And what I'm going to do is simply cleanse, condition. We're going to put the I Create Curl Memory in as the lone styler and see what the result is. So I'm really excited to actually show you what that looks like and actually give you my impression of what it feels like after it's been set and styled. All right, so here is the finish set. So my thoughts on actually moving through the hair, utilizing this product, I think it's no big surprise that the easiest comparison I could make would be Uncle Funky's Curl Magic. The one downside, at least for me personally, of why I don't prefer reaching for that is because of the fragrance. I'm not really the biggest fan of it. When you can choose an option that doesn't have perfume or fragrance, that's what's important to me. So now that I Create Curl Memory is an option, I'm so thrilled to be able to have a tool to reach for. Ooh, okay. Things are quite firm, quite compact. Like, as I start to shake, not a lot of movement going on, which in a lot of ways when you think of longevity for a set, if it starts fluffing out prematurely, then that presents, challenges for the longevity of a style. But as it sits right now, the mannequin was under for 30 minutes, and when I touch the hair, it is quite firm. But this is very promising in how much shine we see, how much water the hair is still holding, and how much definition we potentially would still have after things are opened up. Okay, I'm impressed. For a singular styler, this is performing really well. It's not flaking, it's staying nice and defined even after all that movement. It's not expanding upwards prematurely, and this just goes to show that this will be a welcome addition to my toolkit when I'm working with my guests. So my name's Aaron Scott Lacy. I hope you found this to be enjoyable, informative, and stay connected with me, and I will continue to make cool content like this. Thanks.